We are on the race. And everybody must run his own race. Because tonight what we have come here to do, we have come with one purpose. And our purpose is to meet with the creator of the universe. I'm honored and I'm very humble to speak in front of Senior Pastor Reverend Hotel, Pastor David, Pastor Vinny, my name here, XCD Director. This is my first time that I'm preaching in this church, but I know that it's by the grace of God. It's not because I'm that much important, but it's because of God. Listen, CD Director, may God bless you. I remember last year tungeugua katika nyumba, lakini Mungu akatutoa katikati ya moto na